Welcome to part 4 of this video where I'll be explaining how you can format your ebook using Kindle Create. Now all you just need to do is go over to your search engine and type KDP app download or Kindle Create. You'll be redirected to the first link. You have to click on it. You'll be taken to this page. Some interface may differ. For all the interface, we have you taken to where you can be able to download your Kindle Create. Now, you have what? If you are using Windows, you click on download. If you are using Macs, click on this other option. So I'm using Windows. All I just need to do is click on what? Download. I can actually see it downloading here. So all I want to do now is to pause this video and let it download. Then I'll show you. I've downloaded the video and I've been able to edit one of my books that I've written. Actually, 2 of my books I've written. How to write an ebook in 7 days or less, and then content marketing for beginners. This is the app, Kindle Create App. Now this is the interface of Kindle Create App. Now all you need to do is what? We have what they call 3 matter. The front matter, the body, and then the back matter. The front matter comprises of what? Your title page, your copyright, dedication, epigraph, your table of content, your preface, introduction, prologue, forward, then standard page, front matter. This is what the standard page front matter. Now, you may not actually use all these features because all I just need to use in this my ebook is my title page, my copyright, my dedication. I actually don't need epigraph, my table of content, which has already been drawn. Kindle Create will pick out your table of content from your book that you just upload in their app. Then your introduction. Now, while on the body, you will have what? On my right hand side, you'll be able to see the titles. Now here, you can see from here is a title. And you can see subtitle. If you have a subtitle, you click on it and it will generate what subtitle for you. Now, you can see from here, this I is bigger than any other word here. It's because I click on this chapter first paragraph. And let's say for instance, I click on what? Chapter first what? Paragraph. So you can come on formatting, choose the color that you want, the size. You want it bold, italic, or underline. The size of the paragraph where you want it. See the middle, the drop cap. This drop cap. Just click on 3. But I put a number here to actually change. Now, if you want to save, you simply come to what? Save. If you want to preview your work, come to this word. To this place, click on what? Preview. And you're able to see it. You can come to this place and check if you want it on phone. Preview how it will look like on phone. On Kindle Create e-reader, this is how it will look like on Kindle Create e-reader. Now let's go back to my title page. Now you can see from here, all I don't need to do is what? Create my title page shows up here. If I want to edit it, I'll just simply come to edit page. I'll be able to have access to what? Edit it. So now let's pick a document, a new project. Well-being. actually pick a document. Now you see how the interface will look like, how it will put chapters, author page about the author, subtitle, paragraph, and so on. All you just need to do is just to wait, let it finish importing your work. Actually, it was just a one page. I type on my document, look at it here. It's just what I typed. Introduction, marrying Mary, a novel. And I just click on continue. Click on get started. Now you can see from here, this is how your interface will look like from the beginning. So you see from here, if I want to add my title page, I simply come to title page, write the title of my book, subtitle, author name. I can decide to pick an image. Let's see, use this image. Then all I just need to do is create page. Kindle Create will automatically create your title page. Same thing, you want to add your copyright. Put in your name, year of publication. Let's say your book was published 2021. Then if you want to edit anything here, you should edit. But let me say I want to clean all this. Then create. Now it automatically creates my copyright page for me. If I want to edit this copyright or I want to add something, all I just need to do is over to my right hand side and click on edit page. I will have access to be able to edit it. Same thing, you can add your dedication, your table of content. The table of content will be pulled out from from your book automatically. Now you can see from my table of content, it has actually pulled out this title page we created and the copyright page. And let's say we want to create another page. Education page, let's say click on create. Now let's check our content. See from here, it has added the education page. Now this is the back matter. When you click on back matter, you can write about the author. First one is books by the author. If you have written any book before, all you just need to do is write the name of the book. There is a book title. Now the link of your book on Amazon, all you just need to do is copy the link from Amazon and put it here. And then come to description and tell us about your book in this description. The next is, if you actually have not written any book before, there is no need to create other books by the author. You come to about the author. Here you put your name, your description of your book, and you talk about yourself and decide to say is an educationist who loves to teach and have written several articles. Now here in this about page, you know what you have written before. You tell us about your book, your achievement, where you schooled, where you live, your family background. So I can write an about page for you. You know much about yourself to write. Then you click on what? Select image. Then you want it small, medium, large. Now watch this. When I choose small, I choose the side. See the place, I click here, and then you will actually see how it will look like. Here, look where my picture appeared. Now when I decide to change it, and I bring it at the center, let's update. You see where it appears at the center. And what if I decide to bring it at the right hand side? Now you see how to put your about page. Now when you come to content, that is your introduction. You want, if this is a chapter, all you just need to do is put your cursor here and then click on chapter. If this is a subtitle, you click on what? Subtitle. And you actually see there's written chapter for you here. If it's another chapter, let's say I'm going to another chapter. Let's see. Now, let's say this is the beginning of your book. All you just need to do, put your cursor here, and click on chapter first paragraph, and you see actually for you to save to print settings, you can actually pick from here how your book will look like. Let's say I want to pick on this, anyone, I can pick on anyone you want. Just look how your book will look like when it's being printed, and then click OK. Your theme, you have what? Modern, which is current. You have classic, you have Cosmo, then you have Armor. Now you can actually pick any of these themes. Let's say I want classic, to print it in a classic theme. Just put select. Then I can actually save my work. And then if I want to preview my work, click on preview. And then you can actually view it on phone, how it looks like on phone, and how it will look like on e-reader. You can view the orientation, how it will look like on phone when it's being slided, how it look like on tablet when it's being slided. This is just all you need to do. See, copyright page, dedication page, content, table of content. And this is just how you can use what your Kindle Create app to write your book. If you want to insert a link, just simply come to this place, click, if it's a hyperlink, click on hyperlink. If you want to put an image, click on the image you want to put. Now in the last chapter, I'll be telling you how to open a Kindle Amazon account where you'll be able to upload your book. I'll be showing you how to open a Payoneer or Pioneer account where you'll be able to collect money. That's your royalty from your book that you sell. Keep in touch. Just want this video to be short. Thank you.